Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Compliments question. If one good gets pricier, what happens to the other market? Watch this quick logic and you will spot the correct choice. Goods X and Y are complements, so people usually buy them together. That means if the price of good X rises, consumers buy less of X and less of its complement too. Now bring that into good Y's market. Because fewer people want the bundle, demand for good Y shifts left, not right. And this is a demand change, not movement. In the short run, a leftward demand shift for good Y lowers its equilibrium quantity, so quantity decreases, which matches option D. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the given relationship and check each step before choosing the market result.